Hey everybody, this is a real quick video to show you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A11, and this will wipe all the data and make the phone just like you took it out of the box. So what we're going to do is when it's turned off, we are going to press and hold the power button and the volume up button, and press and hold it until it vibrates, and the screen will turn on, and it will turn on in the recovery mode, and it will look like this. You'll have this list of things. And using the volume up and down, you can actually scroll through these different settings, and you want to scroll down to this wipe factory reset, wipe data factory reset. And like I said, when you do this, it's going to erase everything off your phone, and it will be like it came out of the box. So basically what you'll do is you'll click on that, and it will ask you to confirm it. You'll see it says, you know, in big caps, this cannot be undone, because once you do it, it's over. Everything is permanently deleted. So you do that, it'll take a couple minutes to go through the reset process, and then once it's all done, you can just go ahead and reboot your phone, and it will turn on like a brand new phone. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.